So we are talking about atom. So we talked here that if the electron which is turning around the axis of the element here, okay, so if this electrons are two, then it's considered stable element. Okay, stable element. If it is 8 electrons, it means it is stable. and and we will add as second energy level. So if the elements are 2, then consider stable, and if elements are 8, we consider as second energy level is stable. If the 8 or more than 8 are the most stable, okay, if the 2, they are maximum 2 electrons energy level are considerable stable. If they are an 8 electrons in an element, we consider it as second energy level are stable. If more than 8, we have most stable energy levels. Okay, so we have to understood everything about that. A few atoms, whatever may be atoms, it will stable or uninterested in reacting because their outmost energy level already contain the maximum number of electrons. The gases helium and neon are example of these stable atoms, which do not usually react with other atoms. Most atoms are not stable. Most atoms are not stable, however, and tend to gain, lose, or share electrons in order to fill their outmost shell. By doing so, an atom is capable of forming one or more chemical bonds with other atoms. In this way, the atom becomes stable because its outermost shell of electron has been filled. It is this reactive atom that are of interest in our study of the anatomy and physiology. So basically, I explained everything. Okay, so in this whiteboard, basically the smallest unit of the body is element. Okay, we will take one example. This is hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element. Its symbol is H. Okay, so this is element. In each element we have atoms. Okay, and atoms are divided into further subunits: proton, neutron, and electron. So the combination of the three subunits is atom. So atom is in element. So here we have hydrogen element, and this is nucleus of the hydrogen. Proton is situated in nucleus, and electron is situated in neutron. Sorry, neutron is situated in nucleus, and electron is situated in axis of the element. This is the path of element. This is circulate. This is in this nucleus, the proton and neutron circulate. Okay, so this is called hydrogen. So atomic number is depend upon how many number of protons. Okay, so this is the one thing. Second thing is atomic weight is depend upon how many neutrons. Are there. Okay, and the energy levels is depend upon electron. So if one element is attached with another element, this is called bonding. Okay, so mostly the bonding is depend upon the proton, electron. Okay, so the bonding is depend upon proton, electron. Electron is define the energy level of an element, if there are two electrons, his energy level is stable. If there are 8 electrons, the energy level is second energy level. If you have more than 8 electrons, most stable. So everything is depend upon these electrons for the bonding. So we will see how many number of the different types of bondings are there. We will talk about, here we have the chemical bonding, ionic bonding, and covalent bond, disulfide and hydrogen bonds. So the bonding is depend upon the proton, neutron, and electron. Okay, so we'll stop our lecture here. We will continue tomorrow all this stuff. Okay, thank you.